Alrighty guys, what's going on today? Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about these little battery operated LED lights. These are from a company called Promier, P-R-O-M-I-E-R. They're really solid little LED lights. Basically, I got these a little bit ago, I would say a couple months ago, and I got them because we have this big closet at home and there aren't any lights in it. So, when we're getting in there, especially because it's where we store like a lot of medicine, towels, things like that, things where you kind of want to have, be able to see them really well, we couldn't see them. And so we needed a way to put a light in there. We didn't want to install anything. We wanted something that was easy. So we ended up getting this little thing. And it's been great so far. We use it for that. We have one that's hanging in there right now. And then it comes in a 2-pack when you get it. And so I've also taken this one camping. I actually took it last weekend as well. I took this camping. It's cool because you can put it in your tent. It's not dangerous. It's not like having like an oil lantern or something in your tent, or having to have your lantern in your tent. It's something you can really just hang in there, and almost it will act as a little home light switch when you're using it, which is cool. It is extremely bright. Boom. It is like dumb bright. If you could tell through the camera. It's kind of crazy how bright this thing is. Almost too bright sometimes, to be honest with you. It is great for using in larger spaces though. If you really need to fill a large space with light, this thing will do it. Really fills up a whole room. The lighting is not that friendly though, let me tell you that. It's pretty harsh, an LED light, it is LED. So it would be nice if it could dim maybe a little bit, but I don't know, for a battery operated light, I think maybe I'm just asking for too much. It's said to be as bright as a 60-watt bulb, which is pretty crazy, considering these are LEDs. But yeah, it's really got light to it. So, if you're worried about it not being able to light up like some of these battery operated lights do, you will be surprised, I'll tell you that. It is powered by 4 AAA batteries that are present on the insides right there. Boom, boom, boom. I haven't changed them since I got it, actually, so I don't know. I feel like it stays powered for quite a long time, or at least the batteries last a long time, and it doesn't draw that much power from them. So that's a cool thing, because batteries can get expensive if you're buying a lot after a while. So it's nice that even after a few months of having this thing, they're still, good as new. There are the stickies on the back. These are made from 3M, which is, if you've ever seen like the wall hooks or like any of the sticky hooks, 3M makes those. So they come complete with these lights. They're the adhesive. It's very popular. You can stick them on your wall. It's not going to ruin your wall or anything. We have, like I said, one in our closet that we've stuck to our wall with the adhesive things, and we've had to pull it off once and put it back on. The paint didn't come off or anything like that. Stickies actually remain intact, and we could stick it again and it's still up there. So those are pretty cool. You also have these 2 little round circles right here. These are actually magnets. So if you're on a magnetized surface of any sort, maybe like a refrigerator or something like that, you can also stick these to that. So it does work in that way as well. Also, you have this little indent right here. This is what I use it with when I go camping. I just basically hook it to the inside of our tent with a little metal hook. And that's a good way for it to stay on without having to use the stickies or anything. So in terms of installing it, very versatile. And I think that's what I love the most about it. You can really use it in a bunch of different places and in a bunch of different ways. I would say it's perfect for having an emergency bag as well. I'm going to get another one of these just to have in my car, because you never know. You never know what's going to happen. Your car could go dead. You could have no lights or anything. And it's just very lightweight. It's something that's easy to carry around, easy to use, stays good for a long time, and it's just, one of those, a good thing, maybe a safe thing to have on you at all times. Just in case, especially if you're out, traveling a lot. And you just flip the switch and you're golden, or you're ready to go. It's very self-explanatory. Off, light, boom. It's it's just like something you would find on your wall at home. So if you are looking for, I guess, a good little battery-powered light for whatever reason, I would highly recommend these ones. Again, they're the battery-operated LED lights from Promier, and yeah, check them out. Alrighty, guys, take it easy.